Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hello to all my viewers and subscribers and fellow collectors. Today I'm going to show you something different, but it's also related with diecast and trucks, but it with a little twist. So today I'm showing this to you. It's from Mattel Creation. I think this is another division from Hot Wheels. Any wild guess what is this? Maybe you know already because this has been the hype from the last month, and it's now maybe some of you already watch on YouTube on some other channels, but today let me be the one to show it again to you. Okay, see? Yes. Collaboration between Hot Wheels and Transformers. Very nostalgic. Yeah. So most of the guys familiar with this Transformer from the 80s, right? They came out around 1984. So let's start. Still sealed. Let's wait a moment. Okay, here you go. Yeah, very fresh. It says here Optimus Prime, Mattel Creations. Ta-da! This Japanese paper. It's a little crumpled, but anyway, it's fine. Instructions. What is this? Of course, it has no trailer, but it doesn't matter anyway. Look at that G1 Optimus Prime. So what does it say here in this instruction? Let's see. Okay, to unpack. It says remove accessories to convert. Okay. Store. So we'll put this away for the moment, and let's go to the main event, the actual unboxing of Optimus Prime. Yes, packaging is like the RLC, like they used to do. Optimus Prime is more like the Freightliner cab over engine or the Kenworth cab over engines. And this one, yes, that familiar G1 design. It's heavy for this one is a 1:87 scale diecast. It's quite heavy. So now we weigh it. So this is about 97 grams. So there's half. You can see the legs and main body is a diecast. There are a lot of diecast material, so it's heavy. So now we begin to transform it. The rolling rubber wheels, of course, as usual for Mattel, for Hot Wheels. This one is a color in Spectra Flame blue and Spectra Flame red. Just right for metallic color for a robot. Now we extend the legs and fold it, make it stand. G1 Optimus Prime is pretty simple in transformation, unlike those masterpieces that you have to go through the instructions first before transforming it out. I used to have a Hasbro Masterpiece Transformer. That one is from Toys R Us exclusive, but I just sold it. Sometimes I get an itch to sell stuff. I also have Soundwave together with the cassettes. I also sold to the same person. So this one, yes, this is our one is first diecast transforming transforming row of transformer. Yeah, so you can see it stands by itself. So these are the knuckles. Let's see which one is left or right. Yeah, it's quite stiff to put in. Yeah, there's one more inside the torso. Yep, that's it. Okay, now where's the rifle? Where's the rifle of Optimus Prime? You gotta find it. Yeah. Yes. Okay. This is my first time to have a hold on a G1 Optimus Prime. I never had an Optimus Prime. Only I had was a G1 Grimlock. G1 Grimlock, Sideswipe, then the Lamborghini Countach, and Firefly, one of the aerial bots. Now I'm trying to find the rifle. Where is it? It's not here. It's not here inside the torso. Where could it be? Wait. I know it's there somewhere. Here. Yeah. Wait. I'll try to figure out where it is. Ah. Yes, it's here. Yeah. Oh, I thought I got it lost due to my excitement. Okay, I got to cut those tie wrap there. Binds the rifle. It's kind of stiff. Okay. Now it's ready. Okay. One of the stock of this rifle gets in the way of in the forearms of Optimus Prime. You see, that one is getting in the way, but Anyway, let's see. I'll try to figure out how to mount it. Okay. Hope. Come on. Yes. Okay. I got it. Oh. So this is the Optimus Prime. G1 Optimus Prime Transformers. Okay, that's all for the moment, guys. We'll be back again soon for more stuff that we can unbox and review for our viewing pleasure. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you again. See ya.